Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on the PAL web portal. This tutorial is going to give you guidance on how to use some of the key features found within the device menu on the portal. The options are General, Log, Charts, Users and Settings. In general, we see a summary of the key information about the device. This includes whether it's connected, the name you've assigned it, how many users can access it, the location you gave it, the phone number of the SIM, the status of the output, along with many other details. The location is also displayed on the map, and the location you provided can be as general as you like, such as the nearest town, or you can be very exact by providing the postcode. Now, clicking on the log brings up a record of every time the device has been used. This updates live, as you can see when I click here on my mobile phone to open this barrier. The action is reported instantly on the web portal. The record states the name of the person. I'm using our showroom account, the action and the exact time it happened. Within the chart section, there is a record of the power supply reading, signal strength and network type. This allows for simple fault finding remotely, and at the top you can choose the chart scale and the date you would like to view. Under users, you can view and edit existing users, or click here to add an individual. Just put their name and phone number, or you can go on and add more optional information below. If you're adding a large number of people to the device, then you can export the Excel file, edit the list of users in Excel, and import it back in by clicking here. Within the settings, you can toggle the output delay between 1 and 255 seconds, but there is a default set to 2 seconds. Timer events will allow you to set the period of time that an automation system is held open for. You can choose the time frame and the days of the week it will happen. You can add as many as you like, and there's also a preloaded UK holiday calendar, so you can add exceptions for things like bank holidays without too much manual input. The time group section can be used as an access control for certain groups of end users. Creating a group is easy. Give the new group a name. I'm going to call mine Cleaner. I want the cleaners to have access between 8 and 9 in the evening, and only on weekdays. To provide this restriction to a user, select their information, and in the time group section type the name of the group you want them to be included in. Now, this test user can gain access outside of the times. To provide this restriction to a user, select their information, and in the time group section type the name of the group you want them to be included in. Now, this test user can't gain access outside of the times I've selected. The final feature I wanted to demonstrate is the programming of an input. This will allow the PAL device to receive information from an automation system and give users some feedback. There are a lot of options when applying this, but here's one example. I have already entered barrier open and barrier closed and set a 15-second delay. In the alert list, I have typed a message out to say the B614 barrier is stuck open, and this is set to send a push notification via the PAL app. but I can also do emails to multiple recipients. Now, when the barrier is given a fault that prevents it from closing, it will after 15 seconds send me a notification of the issue. You can change the waiting time and the message to suit your system. It will also send a second message to notify the user when the issue has passed.